All right, number 14, e to the x plus e to the negative x equals 2. First thing I want to do with this problem is to replace this e to the negative x with 1 over e to the x. That's what a negative power means. So now we've got this fraction here, and the way that we can get rid of a fraction is to multiply the entire equation by the denominator here. So let's multiply the entire equation by e to the x. So if we multiply e to the x times e to the x, that's e to the x squared, or e to the 2x. E to the x times 1 over e to the x gives us e to the x over e to the x, which is 1. And 2 times e to the x is 2e to the x. Now this is starting to look like a quadratic function. We can subtract 2e to the x from both sides. We get e to the 2x minus 2e to the x plus 1 equals 0. And now we can use our u substitution. Let's let u be e to the x. And then we get u squared minus 2u plus 1 equals 0. So we can factor this. We get we need two numbers that multiply to 1 and add to negative 2. That's negative 1 and negative 1. So u is going to be 1. So let's put that up here. U is equal to 1. And then we can continue to solve for x by replacing that u with e to the x. So we get e to the x is equal to 1. Now we take the natural log of both sides. We get x is equal to the natural log of 1. The natural log of 1 is 0, so x is equal to 0. And if we think about our original equation, e to the x plus e to the negative x equals 2, well, anything to the 0 power is 1, so e to the 0 is 1, plus e to the 0 is 1 again, so this is 1 plus 1 equals 2, and that solution checks out.